Hello friends, welcome to Onshape part modeling tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this counter bearing bracket from the scratch. As you can see that I have already modeled it, and I will show you how you can do it in Onshape. This tutorial is designed for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the part modeling in Onshape. So this tutorial will give you the basics features of our part modeling and sketching. So I will close this file and I will create a new file, and we will learn from the scratch how we can model this counter bearing bracket. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles on mechanical engineering. Just knowing the CAD tool is not sufficient to become the good mechanical design engineer. You must have a knowledge of design principles, manufacturing process, and current trends going on in mechanical engineering. I have already published so many articles on mechanical engineering, and the best part is that you can read these articles in your own language. We will first create this base feature, and then we will create this face, triangular face. So let's start. So to create a base feature, so here we will select a top plane and click on the sketch. And now let's move to the top view, and here I will hide datum planes. I will simply create a rectangle which will pass through the origin, and now I will give the dimensions. So length is 140, width is of 70, and to make it fully constrained I will provide the mid dimension 70 mm. So our first sketch is fully constrained, and now select the sketch and click on extrude, and here the thickness is of 19 mm. Say OK. Now we will create this triangular profile. So for this we will rotate our model and select the back face and click on the sketch, and let's move to the back orientation. So here first thing I will do is to create a line, and create a two line, and let's join it. And now here then I will create a fillet. Select this and this, and the fillet is of R35. Let's escape the fillet tool and move our dimension. Now here I will select these 2 points, arc center points, and provide the vertical constraint, and from origin to the center dimension which is of 113, say enter and say OK. Now let's rotate our model and provide the pad distance of 19 mm. Select it, click on extrude, say reverse, provide the thickness of 19 mm and say OK. Now we will create the next feature. Next feature is to create this circular boss. So for this select the face and move to the front view, select the circle and move here. So here center is got detected, and we have a fully constrained sketch. So that is how I have a constrain it without giving any dimension. I have just used the relation with the existing face. So select the sketch and click on extrude and provide the extrusion distance of 32, and let's rotate our model, say OK. Now we will create this boss. So for this you can select front or back face, but I will select the front face and click on the sketch, go to the front view and select a rectangle and create a rectangle, and let's provide the dimensions. This is of here if we see there is a 2 dimension is given, so we will go with a 38.1 which is a maximum one, then it will be get finished, and 37.95 will be the final dimension. So here I will go with a 38.1, and to make it symmetric, let's select this origin point and provide the dimension 19.050, and this is of a 9 mm. You can see it here, say OK, and now select the sketch, click on extrude, say reverse, and go here and select up to face, rotate our model and select this backside face and say OK. Now we will create this rib. For this I will select this front face and click on the sketch, and here I will select a rectangle tool, create a rectangle and provide this dimension of 19 mm, and to make it symmetric from the origin, let's give the dimension 9.5 which is the half, and here we are going to project this diameter. So click on the project geometry and project this diameter and make it a construction, select it and make it a construction, and now here I will delete this line, and let's select this and this and add a coincidence relation. Shortcut is a I. Select this and this coincidence, and these two are not vertical, so I will provide the vertical constraint. So now let's see what is the unconstrained. So we will select this line and drag it to find out. So here this line is also not a horizontal, so let's make it a horizontal. Now here, now we will create a 3-point arc which will be equal to our projection diameter. So here select 3-point arc and add a relation, select this and simply make it equal. So now if you rotate our sketch, so our sketch is fully constrained, say OK, and now select the sketch, click on extrude, say reverse and say up to face and select this face, say OK. Now we will remove the material, so select this face and click on the sketch, move to the right view, and here we are going to project this edge, this one and this one, and here we will close this profile and we will make it as a construction. So we have a triangular profile, say OK, and click on extrude and select. So here go with the solid option, select remove and end condition you can define up to face, but that's fine. Now let's create this rimming operation hole. So select the face and click on the sketch, move to the front view, select a circle, move to the center mouse pointer so that you will get a circle, and here it is a rimming operation. So here we will give the maximum diameter 38.1, and after finish it will be 37.9. say okay, select the sketch, click on extrude, go with remove operation, and you can go with simply through all, say okay. And now we will create these two hole of a diameter 19. So select this top face, click on the sketch, move with the top view, and draw the two circle, select it and select this one, and we will draw a line joining these two circle center, and make it a construction and also make it a horizontal. And now select a dimension tool, select this and this of 82, and select the center, and from here define it a 41, and from this edge dimension is of 45. And now let's define the hole diameter, define it 19. So you can use the hole feature, but it is a plain drill hole, so I am creating in a sketch. And now select this to circle and made it equal. So we have a fully constrained sketch. Select the sketch, go with the extrude, select the remove, and simply say the through all, say okay. Now let's move to the isometric view, and now we can say that a common fillet node is of R3, so provide the fillet to the edges. So here I am selecting this two edge and going with the fillet, and radius is R3. Similarly you can apply the radius to the other edges. It is a common fillet. So you have seen that I have successfully modeled this counter bearing bracket from the scratch, and this is a very simple model, and this tutorial is designed for the beginner user of Onshape, those who have just started learning the part modeling and sketching. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time. If you like my method of teaching, then you can support me on ko-fi.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content. You can find my ko-fi donation link in a video description. So keep supporting my work.